welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really simple, really cute decorative candle with stuff from the Dollar Tree. Now in the video I show you the type of glitter to use, but I think I forgot to mention that for one candle, this one here, I used one little packet of each of the colors that I used. So I used like one little packet of gold, one packet of bronze, one packet of brown, and so on. So hang tight and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so what you're going to need, of course, is a white candle, one of these white glass pillar candle doohickeys from the Dollar Tree. I haven't taken the label off of this one yet, but it's okay because I'm not going to be using this one. You're going to need some paper, and the paper is just to catch excess glitter so that it doesn't get everywhere. You're going to need some painter's tape, and the painter's tape is just to section off your candle. It sticks really, really well to glass, but yet it's really easy to pull it back up, you know, when it's time. So you need that. Of course, you're going to need some glitter, and I saw this at Dollar Tree. I'm like, ooh, pretty. Look how like this gradient ombre type deal we got going on. And like with all these golds, there's really not that much difference between all the golds. So I think I'm just going to stick with one and then the rest of these three colors here. Now these little packs can be a pain to work with. So I try to use up like an entire pack when I'm working on a project. But if you don't use all the glitter in an entire pack, I suggest just sticking it like in a Ziploc bag. Just put each color in a Ziploc bag. You're going to need some Mod Podge, something to apply the Mod Podge with. So I'm just going to use one of these little sponge doohickeys. And you probably need a pair of scissors. So what I've done on this candle, see, I've already removed the label on this one. I just taped off the top. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of painter's tape. And I'm just going to cut a strip off of it. Like this. Now, I know this is not going to be perfect. I don't care if it's perfect or not. Actually, I think the more imperfect something is, the more interesting it is. So, I'm just cutting a strip off of it here. Woo, come back. Come back. Okay. Proceed to cutting the strip. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that strip and wrap it around our candle. So to create our little sections. Wait, I got a little piece sticking out. Stop it. Let him go. Let him go. Okay, there we are. Okie dokie. So I think, yeah, that's going to be the back. Now I'm just going to take this strip and just put it somewhere on the candle. I don't want all of my sections to be the exact same size. I mean, I want to kind of, you know, like mix it up a little bit. Try to get that. Let's try to get the ends even. Okay. Now I'm just going to do that with some more strips of the tape all the way down. Maybe like some different widths, you know, all the way. I'm not going to make you all watch me do that. So I'm going to go ahead and tape my candle up, and then I'll come back and we will put on the glitter. Okay, so I'm putting this last little bit of tape on. Okay, see, I think I've got like a nice, what's the term I'm looking for? Variant, I guess. Does that sound right? Anyway, that's what I'm saying it is. So now that we've got that, what I'm going to do is stab myself with the scissors. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way, and now let's see about our glitter. I'm going to start with the gold. Oh my gosh, why do I make it so difficult to open? Okay, now I'm going to trim the top of this bag here, okay, so that I can actually get to it. Okay, so now I'm going to take a bit of this Mod Podge on my trusty thingy here, and now I'm just going to put it on the glass. Isn't this exciting? Okay, brush it on, brush it on. I'm trying not to get it on the paper because, like, when I sprinkle the glitter, I don't want it to stick to Mod Podge on the paper. Now, this can be a little bit time consuming. I'm not going to lie, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle this glitter on, and then I'm going to let it dry. And then I'm going to put another coat of Mod Podge and another coat of glitter. I like doing the 2 coats of glitter. At least that looked good with the silver glitter that I used. I had made these for Christmas a few years back with a different type of candle, but it was basically the same idea. And the 2 coats look better because, you know, when you light the candle, the light is going to be, you know, like coming through it. So, yep, that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put this gold glitter on. Ah! Okay, now that I have that gold glitter on this paper, I'm just going to try to get to the center of my paper so it doesn't spill everywhere, and I'm just going to set this to the side. So now we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go in with this color next. If I can get it open, I am. Stay tuned for the next episode of Can Amber Open Up a Plastic Baggie? There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to do this next color. I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the gold. Sprinkle it on. Actually, let's do that. I will do that. That might not be too boring to drag y'all through. I'm going to get just a little bit of this. There we go. And hope that this gold glitter here doesn't fall off and mix in with it on my paper. There we go. Well, a little bit's going to fall off, but it's okay. It's alright. It won't make that big of a difference. Okay. Alright, let's set this over here. Now I'm going to sprinkle this glitter. And then once I'm done with this, I'm just going to move on down, moving on to the next color, and then I guess I'll just repeat with the gold, I guess. I don't know. I'll see what kind of design I want. Okay, let's be careful with this, because you know what, glitter's like the herpes of the craft world. Once it gets all over the place, it never goes away. So try, and this stuff is so super fine. It's super fine. It is so super fine, you don't want to get it all over your floor. So I actually picked up my rug for this. Once it gets in the rug, it's over. It is over. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to set this color to the side as well. Just moving on down, moving on up. Okay, now I'm just going to go on down with the rest of the colors, this one and this one on down, and then I'm going to let that layer dry. Then I'll do a second layer of all the colors, and then I'll put, once that is dry, I'll put on a finishing coat of the Mod Podge just to seal the glitter in so it doesn't fall everywhere. And I'll let that dry, and then I'll come back and I'll take the tape off and we can see what it looks like. Alright, I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, so I know this is a weird angle, but what I'm doing here is I just finished painting on the last layer of Mod Podge. The previous layers have dried, and now I'm just going back and I'm peeling off the tape. Actually, at this moment, I'm trying to find the end of this bottom piece, but I can't find it. Oh yes, here we go. I'm just peeling off the tape. Well, I thought that was the end of it. Oh yeah, there it is. I'm just going to turn it like this. Like I said, I apologize for this funky angle. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to continue to peel off this tape, and then I'm going to set it aside and really, really let it dry all the way. And that's what it's looking like so far. Yeah, it's still got a white sheen to it because the Mod Podge isn't completely dried yet. But that's what we have so far. So just a fast, easy, and inexpensive craft. These are really cute for like bridal showers. If you do like all silver or all gold, you know, whatever colors you want to do. All pink. Pink and purple would be cute. You know, whatever color you would want to do. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would, please click like to give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of those are in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.